video of M3gaY0utub3rs. I'm Jaxon, and I'm here playing with my Fox plushies. This one's Foxy, this one's Stick Shark, and this one's Thick Boxy. Hey, what's that at the door? I guess I'm gonna go check it. Okay, what could be? I zoomed it. Hey, what's this? Looks like a package for me. Come on, I'm gonna take it inside. I'm just gonna go back over here. Sorry guys, that's my sister. So let's see what's inside of here. Hey, is this a new plushie? Like a cyborg one? Hey, this is LANKYBOT plush. Does he? I think he lights up. He also comes in this cool bag. Let's see. Let's see what's on it. Whoa. So here's the bag that it comes with. It should say LANKYBOT somewhere. I don't know where it does though. Oh, it's inside out, I think. I see it in there though. So this is LANKYBOT plush, and if you tap right here, it lights up. But there's a battery pack back here that if you Velcro it, you can turn it off and on. And if you ever sleep with this, I would probably turn it off. But mostly in the day, I keep it on. That'll be it for this video today. Hit that subscribe button. Well, that's it for the first video of M3gaY0utub3rs with Jaxon. Please like and subscribe, and whenever we get about 100 subscribers, we will bring somebody to Roblox, because I really like Roblox, and bring them to our server so we can give them some legendary pets. Bye guys.